said, Allah and His Messenger know best. Then he remained silent until they thought that he would give it another name than the known name. Then he said, isn't it Al-Baldah, the sacred and the holy place Mecca, the holy city of Mecca? They said yes. Then he said, what day is this? The companion said, Allah and His Messenger know best. He said, isn't it the day of Nahr, of sacrifice? After he remained silent for a little while until they thought that he would